Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Petroff and Chester. Say hi, Chester. Hello. Chester loves writing, so he's here again to learn about how we can, as writing leaders, organize our writing ideas. And we're going to start focusing on a personal narrative. If you're not sure what a personal narrative is, it is a story about yourself. Yes, you, Chester, a story about yourself. And what we're going to do is focus on a small moment. That means you're going to take a story about yourself and zoom into one thing that happened within that big story. Why are you looking at me like that? You don't understand what that means? Oh, okay, maybe I can help you with this cookie. So I have a cookie, boys and girls. This cookie represents your personal narrative. It's a big, long story about yourself. You understand that so far? Okay. Now look at this cookie. Do you see some chocolate chips in there? The chocolate chips represent a small moment. It's just a little piece of what your big story is going to be about. So, boys and girls, within your personal narrative, you will be writing about a small moment. It's like a chocolate chip within a big cookie. Does that help you understand? And I know you want to eat this cookie, right? All right, if you're good, you can have a bite after. So let's talk about our small moment. Boys and girls, we're going to organize our writing ideas or our thoughts using a graphic organizer. And we do that to brainstorm our ideas and organize it in something that looks like this. So it says we have school moments, we have family moments, holiday moments, and emotional moments. You are going to use this graphic organizer and think about your personal narrative, but zoom into one moment that you want to write about. You might want to write about something that happened at school. Zoom in. What happened at school that you want to talk about? How about family moments? Is there something that happened in your family that you might want to zoom in and tell us a story about? Or a holiday moment? Something that happened during your favorite holiday? Or emotional moment. And I am going to model for you what an emotional moment would look like. Yes. So my emotional moment was when I went to Carowinds. So my personal narrative would be going to Carowinds. The entire cookie would be about my day at Carowinds. But I'm going to zoom in to my chocolate chip and talk about one thing that happened during Carowinds. And I'm going to talk about how I ended up going on the Woodstock roller coaster. Now, mind you, Mrs. Petroff is petrified of roller coasters, but when you're in the Snoopy section of Carowinds, you kind of think that you can handle it as an adult. Well, yes, my emotional moment was when I went on the Woodstock roller coaster. So I took my pen and I wrote Woodstock roller coaster. That is what my tiny small moment was about. And then I'm going to talk about how I felt on that roller coaster ride. So I felt scared. I wrote scared. I felt nervous. I wrote nervous. And I wanted to cry because I'm afraid of roller coasters. So I felt sad. I really wanted to get off. And so that was my emotional moment. It's how I felt. These are our feelings of our small moment. So my personal narrative would be about my small moment of riding a roller coaster during my day at Carowinds. Today, boys and girls, your job as writing leaders is to organize your writing thoughts by using a graphic organizer. In your Google Doc, you will see it looks like this. Take a pencil and choose one small moment that you want to write about. Do you want to write about something that happened at school, in your family, during the holiday? Or is there something emotional that happened to you, like Mrs. Petroff, where I wrote my feelings under the emotional moment, talking about going on a roller coaster? Please use your graphic organizer, or you can write your small moments in your cow notebook, and then we cannot wait to see them. Chester, are you ready to write? You're ready for a bite of the cookie? Okay, you did a great job. Have fun, boys and girls. Oh, okay, you're going to take it and eat it over here. I understand.